Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are from in the whole wide world. This is Jeanette Pickering with another video. I've just been out to surprise view this morning, or I've come out to surprise view, and as you can see behind me, it's a bit cloudy. Just started raining as I was flying, so I thought it's time to bring it in, bring the drone in. Yeah, I was just testing it after the I had a bit of an error came up with the last drone flight when I went out with Steve Axe to boot Folly. I'll put the video up, right, so I think, or is it there? One of them two. I'll put the video up there for you to watch after this one. I'll put it in the description as well. So yeah, I had an error with the motors, something to do with props being bent or something. I don't know, looked online all over the place to fix the problem, and I discovered that it were the proper propellers that had been bent in the box, you know, when you're in your storage case. So what I've done is and it's the back props, so I've changed both of those. I've been flying around for about 10 minutes, no problems whatsoever, which is great. So I wanted to come somewhere where if there was a problem and I had to land, I weren't going to go walking for ages and ages looking for it, or swimming. I didn't want to fly over water. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this little video I've done for you. Like I said, just a test flight, and it flew in the rain, which is not good for drones or anything electrical. And yeah, so if you're new to this channel and you like what you've seen, please consider hitting the big red button and also pressing the bell so you don't miss a future video. I've got tons of locations to go to when weather permits for flying wise. I also do photography as well. I'm amateur, so very amateur, but I enjoy taking the pictures. If you want to have a look at some of my pictures, mainly on my Facebook page, which can be found on my about page or in the banner when you first come to my channel, with all the links there. And also my PayPal is there as well if you fancy helping my channel out as well, where I can buy better equipment and also put money in or petrol into the car so I can go further afield. That would be absolutely awesome. If not, no worries, you're supporting my channel from just being here anyway, so thank you very much for that. Please press the like button, it would help my channel out a lot if you don't mind. Doesn't matter if you don't want to, and if you do press the dislike button, please tell me what I could do more or better. Alright then guys, that is the end of the video, or the end of me rambling. So enjoy the flight, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.